So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 7 of my embroidery journey. So I will be learning how to do this split stitch today. Okay, so let's start the video. So today in this video, let's learn how to do this split stitch. Okay, so in order to do the split stitch, I will just make first normal stitch. Okay, one normal insertion. Once I have did from the back, either you can make insertion like this and do like that, or you take one needle inside and then split this and stop. Okay, similarly go back, come like this and then split this. Similarly like this from here and then like this. From here, come here and then inside. Splitting the needle. Then split in the half. Then split like that. So I will come here and then complete this. I cannot. Okay, so we have completed the split stitch. Okay. So we have learned how to do this split stitch today, and so thank you so much for watching my video. And if you are in together with me with the embroidery journey, let's continue for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.